Parul to receive the award for Dynamic Woman Entrepreneur of the Year. Come on, let's hear a big round of applause for Parul. Parul, we're not going to let you get away too soon. We're not going to let you get away too soon. I've just got Bijoya, but just would like to know something about your business.
An entrepreneur's journey is always inspirational, and I think some of the women here asked you some very pertinent questions. So just walk us through your journey a bit.
So hi everyone, I'm Parul. I'm the founder of Niche Hair. It's a human hair extensions company. I'm an actress too, so I was looking for hair extensions for myself years ago. There was nothing online, and I was just furious. Why can't I find something online? And when I'm going to shops, I have to haggle with them for haggle, whatever, haggle with them for prices, and I didn't like it so much. So me and my mom, one fine day in our living room, started making hair extensions. It's so funny. And no one could see it. It can happen from home. And मजाक मजाक में मैंने इंडिया की पहली ऑनलाइन कंपनी बना दी हेयर एक्सटेंशंस की, which is called nichehair.com. So we provide hair loss solutions. We make wigs for cancer patients. We also make something for length, which I'm wearing. I'll take the liberty to show it to you. It looks really natural. You can never tell you're wearing it. So that's what I made.
That's so nice. Not many of us would do that. So more power to you. Yes,
Thank you.
absolutely. We would all love to hide it. So good you brought. Yeah.
I'll put this on my award so that my award is not hairless. This is at home. I'm gonna keep my extensions. See. Next year, Nisha will be designing your awards.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What's been some of your challenges and how have you kind of overcome them?
So I've not studied business, and I had an idea and I started making these. Biggest challenge was learning on the job, because I didn't know how SKUs work. If you want to list it on other e-commerce platforms, there are something called EN barcodes, which Nykaa needs, but Amazon needs different kinds of barcodes. So you're learning always on the job. Then your GST, HSN codes, because I have different kinds of products. And then learning, oh my God, you're paying 25% income tax, 18% GST, and advance tax every 3 months. That was the hardest one, I think. Just shelling out money is always the hardest one.
Any word of advice for all the women here?
Only advice would be just do it immediately. If you have an idea, just do it. Do not listen to anybody. Just listen to your gut feeling, because that's where magic happens.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being with us.
Thanks so much, Parul. Let's give a big round of applause for Parul for coming up here, for winning the Woman Disruptor Award, and for sharing some of her secrets with us. Come on, a big round of applause.